Okay, this is a test. Cheapest ammo possible. Remington Golden Bullet hollow point. Totally empty. Let's go see how we did. And I'm going to step this off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. About 25 yards. At 25 yards, I wouldn't want to be there. Remington Golden Bullet, no failures. On the gun, we've got a Volkerstein extractor, CMC 3.5 pound trigger, slide fire recoil enhancer, slide fire bump stock, NDZ SBR lever, Odin Works extended mag release. I think that's about it on mag pull flip ups, a mag pull sling mount, but that's it. Keep the gun light. Make sure it's oiled correctly. And correctly does not mean by the manual. It means go to the forums, learn from the people like me that understand how to lubricate the bolt properly and make it function. That's the gun.